So this week is a really busy week for me. I got not one, but 2 conventions to do this weekend. So I figured, why not show you what I have to take to a convention in my backpack? And guess what? It's a big backpack. Let's check it out. What's up, fam? Dave Gordon here, DKG72, and just like the intro said, this is my convention backpack video. What's in my convention backpack? Alright, so what we have here is a backpack by a company called Sako. Now, I got this backpack about 2 years ago, back in 2017. Meant to do a review on it, never did, but so we're kind of doing it now. But the funny thing about it is I started using the backpack and I really started to like it. One of the great things about this backpack is it has several pockets on the side that you can use. The mesh pocket, of course, that holds your water. Got several pockets right here, mesh pockets on this side. It's very comfortable. These very comfortable straps right here. The top, of course, holds the majority of all the things that I'm taking to the convention with me. And then, of course, I've got 2 compartments, a flap right here, which holds stuff, flap right here, and a bottom compartment right here. What makes this backpack special? Well, number one, it's discontinued. I looked it up on Amazon. It's discontinued right now. But there are backpacks that are similar to this. I'm going to have them linked below so that you guys can check them out. No, what makes this backpack unique is the fact that it's 18.4 inches tall. Why is that important? Number one, this backpack is actually more of a laptop backpack meant to hold 17-inch laptop. In this case, for me, I don't have a 17-inch laptop, but I do have 11 by 17 paper and board, and that's what it's meant to hold. So check this out. Because this backpack is so nice, it can hold my Strathmore comic book paper, which is 11 by 17 inches. You know what else is 11 by 17 inches? That's right, my Blip Art Portfolio, which holds all of my original art, which I use to help people, check out what I got, and hopefully they'll buy from me. And this is really important because this backpack is weatherproof, so the rain rolls right off of it. I love it for that. Now, I also have in here 9 by 12 Canson XL Bristol board. This is the smooth, and it's a bright white. Now, the cool thing about this Bristol board, check that bright white out. Now, the cool thing about this Bristol board is I use this to do like some of my mini drawings of superheroes or caricatures, things like that. And it works really well, and the clients, the customers are never ever upset about it. Now, one of the coolest things that I have, this is what I call my medical kit. Well, for anybody that's a surgeon, like I am, I'm a surgeon on the tape. That's right, now I'm playing. But honestly, this little carrying case carries all of my art pens, my mechanical pencils, and some brushes, my Tombow, and of course my Pigma Micron brushes as well. Another thing that I keep in this main compartment is my square reader. Check that out. Now, this square reader is really interesting because it reads chip cards, but not only that, people can pay with their watches, cell phones, because the NFC reader up top, is just that dope. So you definitely got to have that. And also, I have these what I guess you would call them book containers or book holders. And of course, I use these to display my books on my table. And of course, if I'm at a show that's out of town or anything like that, gotta have the laptop. So remember when I said I didn't know what I was gonna do with the trusty dusty Samsung? Right now, it's kind of my travel laptop until I upgrade to a new one. Anything else in there? Nope. So check out what's on these side compartments right here, guys. So in the side compartment, of course, I have my stat leather pigment liners. Those are always my go-tos. And then on this other compartment, I have these really cool Sharpie brush pens. And I use these to sometimes highlight artwork that I do for small children. And of course, gotta have my pink pearl erasers and a travel pencil sharpener. Now in this front compartment, I have a portable power bank from Anchor. This is a 10,000 milliamp power bank, and looks like it says it's a key charger too, so I never knew that. Have to check that out. And of course, gotta have USB-C cord as well. In this under compartment right here is where I keep a whole lot of stuff. And mainly what's in here are all the markers and pens that I'm going to use. So I have some Copic markers, my grays. I've got my favorite blue and red pencils. And then I've got some Sharpies, and I also keep some colored Sharpies so that when I have to sign autographs, or maybe I have to sign on a print that's kind of dark, I can use either the silver right here, the copper, or the gold. This is my colored Sharpie, This is my color Copic collection, and of course a collection of brown. And in this compartment right here, this bottom compartment, I have my Troika business card holder. And this business card holder, of course, has my business cards. And the fun thing about these business cards is they're from a company called Nune. And what Nune allows you to do is it allows you to do multiple different backgrounds for your business card. So you normally have to have, the front has to be the same, but the back could be up to 10 different images, I believe. So if you haven't checked those guys out, go check them out. It's Nune.com. It's a real high quality business card. I think you guys will like it. All right, guys, so that'll about do it. That's what's in my travel book bag when I go to the conventions, and everything that you see will be linked below, and if it's not available, there will be an alternative available, of course. So don't worry about it. I got you covered, guys. I got you covered. Also, just to let you know, if you are new to this channel and you like what you've seen so far, hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification to let you know whenever I put up a new video. Also, long-time A1 Day 1 subscribers, please like and share this video all over the internet. And guys, I gotta put everything back in this bag because I gotta get ready for this show, because I got 2 shows coming up this weekend and I gotta be ready. So I'll holler at y'all later. Peace.